Well, if you don't agree to those terms, time to go watch something else. I'm S3D, and this is gonna be an unboxing of the Bandai Real Grade 144 scale Destiny Gundam from Gundam C. So, I mean, this thing is basically, you know, supposedly a real version of what a mobile suit should look like in real life. That's why, hence the real grade. Yeah, it's very stylized, and the proportion on this guy is quite weird. But anyway, that's before me even building the kit. So let me show you guys the proportion. You can see the Destiny looks very stocky. Yeah, definitely not as stylized as, well, I mean, it's stylized in a way that is supposed to be realistic, I guess. And yeah, it comes with the janky pre-built inner frame, which sucks. Mecha Guy Kosu called this the early Rio Grey syndrome. And here we have the pictures. You can see once it's posed, you know, the proportion doesn't look too bad. You know, you can't really tell how weird and stocky it looks. There isn't really a lot of reviews on the Destiny Gundam. In fact, I've never seen an unboxing video of the Destiny Gundam here on YouTube. A real great Destiny Gundam. So anyway, you can see the price right here, 2,500 yen. So you can probably get this kit anywhere between 25 US dollars to 30 US dollars. Yeah, of course, if you're living in Japan, you can get this for under 25 bucks. Probably around $24. This price does include tax. So yeah, and some places are selling at a discount for around $21. So anyway, let's go ahead. You know, I think a couple of videos, a lot of people have been asking me if this kit comes with the Wings of Light effect. Well, I guess we'll find out. I don't think it does. Yeah, and it does not come with a stand. I think there was actually one review on YouTube. But who knows? The last one I saw was from Robert. Well, yeah, R. Robert. So, 2Rs, 2Bs. So, anyway, here we have a very, very large sticker sheet. This is probably the biggest real grade sticker sheet I have ever seen in my life. Holy shit. Oh, these are actually for the shield, so that takes out a lot of space, but still, this is humongous. Alright, and then we have the janky pre-built inner frame, which is total garbage right here. The thing that sucks about these inner frame is once they get really loose, you have no way of fixing it. Yeah, so if the joint gets loose over time, or if you posing it, you're screwed, because, you know, I don't even know how you're gonna get in here, and then, like, you know, you can't take it apart, so you can't stiffen up the joints with like glue or stuff like that. Maybe like take the all the armor off, and then probably spray it down with like top coat, and hope that would, you know, hold it in place somehow. But yeah, this is automatically garbage right here. Okay, next up we have armor parts, weapons. Here's the erendite blade, sword. Okay, and then the blue parts, obviously armor parts. Next bag right here we have more armor. Yeah, of course, it's just, the frame is already there, so this is definitely just the armor parts. I actually put this kit up on eBay already, but since nobody bought it, I decided to, I guess I'm going to just build it, you know. We have a pilot here. This is Shin Asuka, the crazy guy. Apparently, he's very, very unliked, very not well liked in the Gundam C universe, but apparently Japan still thinks Kira Yamato is the worst. Yeah, because this whole bros before hoes kind of thing. Yeah, that was terrible. Anyway, we have the shield, we have the Omega Beam Cannon, and then we have parts for the beam rifle. The rest of it are armor parts. We got a V-fin here. Unlike the high grade where you have safety nubs, this thing doesn't have safety nubs. Because, real grade, ages 15 plus, not for kids. Right there. Yeah, it makes sense. The high grades are for kids because it's got safety nuts. They don't want kids to poke out their eyeballs. Okay, next we have more parts right here. Wing parts, inner parts for the sword, the Erendite rifle, mega beam cannon thing, and then we have the parts for the shield. This is also parts for the shield. Blah blah blah. Parts for the wings and stuff like that. All right, next bag we have the wing parts. Okay, so these two. Okay, well actually, let's go ahead and open this one. That one is straight up repeat, I think. Maybe, yeah. I think that bag's a repeat. All right, so we have the shield parts right here. Yep, definitely a repeat. So, got the duplicate right here. Obviously, just armor parts, shield parts, parts for the sword, parts for the head. Okay, let's try to get organized here. Yeah, no wing effect parts, no stand. We have the beam effect parts for the beam sabers. Oh, this thing have beam sabers? Interesting. Where are the hilts? This is for the the shoulder boomerang thing, which double as a beam saber, but they actually have beam saber effects. And then this is parts for the Erendite rifle. So beam sabers, huh? Beam saber hilts. I'm looking for the beam saber hilts. I don't see it. Unless it's molded in a different color. I don't see it here either on this runner. So how the hell does that work? Does he have red beam sabers? Because even the robot Damashi, the middle robot Damashi doesn't have any beam sabers, and neither does the high grade. So I am now very curious because well, I guess I'll be building this kit because I guess, since as a public service, I already know the kit sucks, but yeah, I don't see the beam saber hilt, so that's actually it's not here either. So these are the hands for the Poma Fiocina. This is parts for the rifle, more parts for the rifle, the handle, the sight. I think this is the wing parts. And both of these are parts for the wings. So this is a duplicate right here. Got some extra parts here for the armor. Okay, so I wanna see what's going on here. Maybe the beam. So okay, so yeah, these are X out because it actually doesn't have any beam sabers. So there you go. It doesn't have beam sabers. It's it uses the beam boomerang thing as a beam saber. Yeah, it's the build is very straightforward. So I mean, by default, since it's like the pre-built inner frame, this thing's gonna suck. Now my only other concern is how often does the shit fall off on this kit? Everybody knows like these older RG kits are pretty much a shit show, so there's really no point like beating a dead horse. Most likely it's gonna suck. I'm hoping it doesn't suck, but I'm not gonna be surprised if this thing doesn't suck. I mean, it's very detailed. Definitely more detailed than even the Metal Robot Damashi by just looking at it. Yeah, but the proportions are weird. Let's see, it uses like that old style inner frame. Mecha Kaikosu called it ERS, early real grade syndrome. I think it should be ERGS. But anyway, pretty nice looking overall, but unfortunately, it's just gonna be very shit show. I mean, look at the proportion, like here, just by looking at it at a default. This is definitely not Katoki style. You get the the arms, the legs are humanoid. This is very humanoid-like. This is more like a Kunio Okawara, not Okawara style proportions. So yeah, that's why it looks so stocky, because it looks like a human being. Yeah, okay. So that's it for this unboxing. Hopefully I'll be building this kit soon. Probably gonna go on eBay. So, oh, and we have the real grade Justice, and we have the real grade Strike Freedom. Okay. I don't know if I want to go build the Strike Freedom, but anyway. Oh, we also have the high grade Destiny. This is good. Yeah. In fact, I would just recommend getting the high grade and then just forget about the real grade. And don't worry about the Metal Robot Damashi, because I guess nobody can afford it at that price. The Master Grade is a piece of garbage. Thanks for watching.